App Installers brings the simplicity of the Mac App Store to third-party applications, saving admins hours of time each week. With App Installers, admins select the Mac apps they want to deploy. Jamf automatically installs the app or makes it available on demand. Importantly, Jamf will deploy updates whenever they become available. Admins no longer need to spend time building packages or managing complex update workflows. Jamf App Installers in Jamf School automatically keep your apps up to date with the latest features and fixes available. Our pursuit for streamlining technology doesn't stop with admins. We know we can improve the classroom experience for teachers and students while also simplifying the at-home experience for parents. With the Jamf Teacher app, teachers can manage student access, safe list apps, send messages, and more. Educators can confidently tailor the classroom experience without relying upon IT requests or one-size-fits-all configurations. The Jamf Student app allows students to gain access to learning materials, install appropriate apps, request help, or message directly with their instructor. And finally, the Jamf Parent app gives parents and care providers device controls for their students' devices when they're at home. This allows them to keep their students focused on learning activities at the appropriate times. Deploying these free apps is the best way to impact the learning experience across every aspect of a student's day, from the classroom to home and back again. We are constantly enhancing these apps, including recent changes to streamline teacher workflows. We also made these apps more accessible for users with improved voiceover and resizable text support.